What's going on out there, YouTube? Well, today we have something a lot different than any other review we've ever done. Now, I know you can see exactly what we're going to be taking a look at today, but after I'm going to roll that intro, I'm going to tell you why this one's really, really different. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, in just a couple moments, for all you cool kids who have not yet subscribed to me, I think it's going to be down on this side. You're going to see our channel watermark pop up. Hover over that, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. I'd be right appreciative of your subscription. Okay, now on to the fun. As you saw by that intro, I'm going to take a look at a knife brand that I haven't brought to the channel. This one kind of changed my mind when I was asked a question. As you saw, we're going to take a look at the Camillus Sieze II titanium. Now, I'll state right off the bat, I don't know why they put titanium in there, because they just add titanium molecules to stainless steel to make it a little harder to break. Okay, now with that being said, and before we get into, what's in my hand, even though you can see it in the box, this review is a little different because I've had a couple longtime viewers out there send me pretty much the same identical question. And it kind of goes like this. Could you focus on a good budget option for somebody just starting out? Now, with that being said, I'll admit it took me a little while to try to get in my head parameters. Whose budget is what? What budget is where? If I can spend $100, that might seem something outrageous to someone who only wants to spend $20 and below. So I looked at this as I want to spend under $20 so someone could get something that's affordable, very user-friendly, and if it breaks on you, you're not going to cry. So, I will admit, see that little orange sticker right there? That's right. I got this at Walmart, and that's spot number 43 in my local Walmart where they had it. I was walking around, looking through the camping section and whatnot, and saw this guy there. Now, it's really budget-friendly. It comes in at a very low cost. I do love the Desert Tan scales. It's not as brown as the box as you can easily see. I mean, crap, I really would have loved that deep dark brown on the box, but the Desert Tan is really okay with me. It's got a very elongated thumb hole, and it is basically, as I showed you, a flipper open. It fits really well in the hand, and it's very light on the budget. Now, we're going to get to all that in a moment, why I picked this guy. Alright? So, here comes the stats as we usually do. Overall, it's 7.75 inches. Closed, it's 4.5 inches, and the blade's 3.25. Now, it has an okay weight at 4.8 ounces. You know it's there, but it's not going to cause pocket fatigue or really hand fatigue if you're holding it for a while and doing things. Now, I love the fact it's got a plain edge. And I really wanted one of those for a budget option because you don't want to have to buy another tool for serrations when you want to sharpen this. Now, the steel is real simple, 440 stainless steel, but what Camillus does is add titanium molecules basically to the mix in order to strengthen the blade. So it's not a titanium blade, it's just a strengthened blade. As I showed you, it's got the flipper open. Now, I will tell you, it is not assisted, so you're going to have to give it a little bit extra to get her open. Alright? Now, on the inside, it is basically black coated, but that is a stainless steel frame. Now, the scales, I was hoping for something a little different, but at the cost, I'm okay with glass-filled nylon. And that's exactly what those are, plastic scales. It has a single position pocket clip that's only tipped down. And yeah, you can see the Camillus logo cut out of there. It's the only thing I really don't like about their blades. It's like they have to put their stuff everywhere. But that's just me. Now, what got me was, they're calling that a lanyard hole. All right, I get it. Slide a piece of paracord through there, no problem. But what always gets me is on tip down, why do you put your lanyard at the bottom? Make it somewhat reversible, because you don't want a long piece of paracord having to come up the top. Seriously, you just don't. I mean, yeah, here's a Spyderco blade we're going to feature in a little bit, but having your lanyard at the top makes it easier for pull and quick deploy. Having your lanyard at the bottom could create problems. Now, the other added benefit to this, it does have the Camillus lifetime warranty. Now, here's the big reason I picked it. And I was kind of shocked when I went out looking on the usual web stores to try to find it. At Walmart, after taxes, this cost me $9.78. It is the perfect budget blade if you are just starting. You're not going to need a lot of tools to maintain it. You're not going to need a lot of cleaning gear. It's a great everyday carry knife just for beginners. Or someone, you know, who wants to give something to their kids to kind of help, you know, give them a little bit more responsibility. And I hope you can see it is centered pretty dang cool. All right. What got me? I couldn't find this on Amazon. I couldn't find this on Camillus's website. I couldn't find it on Blade HQ. Yeah, Blade HQ or KnifeCenter.com. The only place I could find it was a local Walmart for $9.78. And on their website, it had 21 reviews and a 4.8 out of 5-star rating. Now, this is the part that I was like, okay, this is kind of cool. So, you know, right out of the box, here's some cutting tests. Just goes through. No problem. And yeah, you can see kind of right there. Needs to be stropped because it's picking up some paper and holding it on the edge. So, taking those out, you know, ain't going to be a problem. Now, as we like to do recently, paracord! Here's a pull test. Okay, right through. And slice test. Not bad. And as we've been doing recently, sorry I didn't really prepare this, which I should have. So that's on me, guys. Ratchet strap. So that's not too bad for a $10 blade. That's why I said I think it's a perfect budget starter blade. Now I know a bunch of you are going to have a little bit different opinions than I do, and that's totally okay. Okay, I know you guys aren't going to know, but sorry about that little pause I had to do in the video. I forgot one more thing I needed to include. Alright, well guys, you know, like usual, I want to know what you guys think. I mean, seriously, questions, comments, hatred, love, everything down below. I also want to know, do you think it's noise? Or is it an F-bomb? Noise! Or an F-bomb? I really want to know, guys, because, like I said, I put a lot of thought into this one. Not just, okay, well, it's by this manufacturer, by this blade designer, cool, I want it. So I actually want to know what you guys think of my choice to recommend to people. If you can find it, get it, because it's a great little starter blade. Now, as we usually do, hey, if you're a first-time viewer of this channel, I want to thank you so much for choosing this video. I know it's a weird one, especially with a weird topic, but I really do appreciate you viewing. Now, for you really cool kids who didn't do it throughout this video, here's your second chance. And we believe in second chances on this channel. Right down there in that corner, you're going to see a bigger channel logo popping up. Man, go ahead and destroy that thing. That is going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've killed that subscribe button like it stole something at Walmart, please make sure and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Because it's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. I hope I helped answer a question I've gotten a couple times. This is my choice for a perfect budget starter everyday carry blade. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great one.